Familiarity with development environments. Integrated development environments IDEs provide tools for writing, debugging, and managing code. IDEs offer features like code editors, syntax highlighting, and built-in compilers. Examples are Visual Studio Code, PyCharm, Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA. These are some of the code editors that you will be using in the future when you start working on different programming languages. Version control system. Version control system track changes to files and facilitate collaboration among developers. They help manage different versions of code, enabling team members to work simultaneously. Examples are Git, SVN, and Git is widely used. Git distributed version control system allowing easy branching, merging, and code collaboration. Overview of relevant tools and frameworks. Various tools and frameworks support specific tasks and domains within computer science engineering. Example: TensorFlow, Django, Docker. TensorFlow can be used for machine learning, Django can be used for web development, and Docker can be used for containerization. TensorFlow is a library for building and deploying machine learning models. Django is a high-level web framework for efficient and secure web application development. Docker, it's a platform for creating and managing containers to package and deploy applications.